So father already knocked a guy in front of him there in the black with a suitcase, fell into him. At Charlotte Airport, going through our baggage right now so we can get onto our flight to Rome in about 2 hours. So even with TSA pre-check, I still got felt up, and I guess my father Tom's bag got pulled too. Good times. Your dad had a bad experience on that walkway last time. So we're in Charlotte, heading to our gate, B13, with Kim and her parents on our way to Rome. Oh, now we're going to do the walkway? Okay, well, if you fall, I'll catch you. All right, doing the walkway. He had a bad experience last time. Some old man fell in front of him. He got stuck at the end, and his shirt got pulled off in front of thousands of people.
That's true, too.
Sorry.
All right, catch y'all up soon. Having fun?
Yeah, that's all right.
Is it? Looks like it.
The meal was good.
Having fun?
Ice cream was great.
Oh, you had ice cream?
Butterscotch sundae.
Had a dried up cookie thing.
How's it going that go, okay?
It's all right, yeah. We're gonna come up and see how this is going.
Watch this for a while, other man.
It's good. All right, we'll see you later. I don't want to get in trouble up here.
All right.
See ya. We gotta come up to first class and see how they were doing, check on them. Sounds like he had a good dessert. So I'm gonna head back to my stewage area now. Talk to you soon. Alright, in Rome now. And her uncle and Jacinta, Kim and her parents walking to Trevi Fountain. So we should be there in another 5 minutes. We all got metro tickets, so we jumped on the metro, which made it a lot quicker, but they pack in there like sardines. The first one, when we got in there, the doors closed on Tom, my father-in-law, so he almost got squished in the doors, had to pull him through. And then when it started moving, and then it started making some abrupt stop and jerky moves, and Kim's mom almost fell. She fell into a couple people sitting down. I grabbed her wrist and caught her before she hit the floor. So it's been exciting. I'll post some more here in a little bit. All right, made it to Trevi. Lots of people here. And Kim and her Uncle Ray are going to get them some tickets so they can walk down there. I think the line's really long. Here we go. Trevi Fountain in Rome. Alright, so now her parents are in Trevi Fountain, so they've got some tickets to go down there. And we're trying to get to the exit area. A bit crowded. There's a few people here. Crowded. Alright, so here they come.
Smile, wave.
They were down there at the fountain.
Gotta wave.
I'm gonna get a picture. Up here. Lontina. So we're in the metro. We just took one train, about 5 exits, and now we're jumping on a different one so we can head over to the Coliseum. Or Kim's parents, uncle, and his friend got tickets for the Coliseum today, and then we'll hang out.
And then tell them that admit that you were the one that fell down today.
Yes, I did fall down today, and I scraped my knee. The scrape doesn't hurt, but the internals hurt, so we'll see how I go the rest of the day.
I've got internal bleeding.
Okay, so we just got out of the metro, and right here at the Coliseum. All right, so out here outside the Coliseum, me and Kim, she's trying to catch up with her parents, and right outside the Arch of Constantine. So her parents and Uncle Ray and Jacinta went on the tour. We got them the tour for the Coliseum and the Forum. So they're heading that way now, and we're trying to catch up. Talk to you soon. Ciao. So it's day 3 in Rome. We are walking to the metro. We have tickets to go into the Vatican tour. So we'll be doing that for a couple hours. And then after that, we're going to go back to the hotel, rest a little bit. And we're going to head back out this afternoon to the Spanish Steps and the Pantheon. So I'll update as we go. Got Uncle Ray and Jacinta in front of me, and then behind me is Kim's parents and Kim. Okay, so we're outside the Vatican. Got our headsets and our tour guide, and we're heading into the Vatican. There's Kim. All right, just started our tour. So we're just hanging out here a minute, getting some pictures, and we'll get back inside and continue on.
Yeah, but it's holy water. It's a kitty cat.
So inside the Vatican now on our tour, and there is a crap ton of people. A little crowded. Went a little crowded, babe?
Little crowded.
A little crowded. So, good times though. Fun. A lot of stuff to see here. All this marble on the floor was taken from the Roman Forum. So if you've been to Rome before and you've been to the Forum, all this marble was taken by the Pope for the Vatican. Real nice, huh?
The people from UK probably can recognize.
You need to stop pushing me.
Hmm?
Stop pushing.
Inside the gallery of maps now. All this. And all the people.
Another small fireplace, the name of Alexander, but the coat of arms of the Pope was received. The Romans didn't allow this one. So the apartments of the Pope were abandoned after his death. Pope Joyce, the next Pope, refused to stay here, so that's why he moved to the next floor.
So done with our Vatican tour, had some lunch. Now we're outside Basilica. There's a few people here today. It's got me and Kim and her parents. Ray and Jacinta went to go do something else. You can see just a couple people here today.
Try going a little further. We're not going to get in line.
So it's Wednesday afternoon update. Okay, so we are at the Pantheon. Got our tickets, so we're getting ready to go inside. We got Uncle Ray there walking by, Jacinta walking by there, and then Tom is over here.
Hi.
There's Tom and there's Max. So we're going inside. I'll get some video when we're inside.
So I guess I guess.
So this is the old street behind the Pantheon, over 20 feet down. But look how high we are here, where this wall is. So that's basically where the old street level used to be. It's down there. It's how high everything's grown and built over everything. Very interesting. So I thought I was done filming, so let me get some more video this way. More of the other side. Down to the original street level again. Some of the old walls. How big this place is. Alright, made it to the Spanish Steps. Kim and her parents went to a store real quick, but there they are behind me. No, I'm not climbing up them this time. I went all the way to the top last time, so I'm good. But yep, here we are, Spanish Steps. Bye.